And we love them. I mean, I love all of them so much. They are my children, and I cannot utter anything against them. I cannot even argue with them because I really don't see anything to argue about because I'm there. I'm there for them. If they want any advice, if there's anything.
We gather here together as professionals, as teachers, as politicians, as community leaders, and as elders to confirm to Dr. Oburu Odinga that the Kilifi Declaration and the pact that they have done for this community to lead this party to the next phase is endorsed by this crowd.
Hakuna decision itachukuliwa kutoka kwa dirisha. Chama iko na structures and the decisions will be made through the relevant party structures. And once they are approved,